So, same thing on this saddlebag. At least this quick disconnect was still attached. But ain't no way, man. There's no way this should look like this. Like I said, you getting all types of water, and he goes cross country with his bike. You getting all types of water, debris, everything is going into his saddlebag. And hopefully the damn things, they don't, I'm pushing it on the cone, they don't sound like they're blowing or nothing, but it's just crazy, man. There's no way there's no way that under here, as much as these damn amps cost, that I don't use, by the way, but as much as these amps cost, and as much as the damn bike costs, there's no way that should look like that. There's no way. Ain't no excuse. Ain't no excuse. So this definitely going to have to be corrected later on. Like I said, I'm just trying to get him able for this ride he got coming up, you know, to be able to ride the bike, have some damn music. So like I said, that's how I'm gonna go with the radio, and then like I said later on, all this Evo, these sounds around, sell them. Have him get rid of them, get rid of them hertz, get rid of the DB drive, speakers, all that's gonna get sold. He get his money back for all that. So it's crazy, man.